ScrewGlue tightens and repairs loose or worn screws and bolts around the home. It's the perfect solution for repairing and restoring the holding power of screws and hardware that tend to loosen and need tightening, and preventing weather-related corrosion. It's no mess and dries quickly for fast application on all household items. Easily repair doorknobs, cabinet hinges, and pantry shelves, and tighten up loose handles on pots and pans. Eliminate the annoyance of fixing loose or stripped screws and furniture around your home, and ensure screws stay tight when assembling new items. Repair that towel rack that's been loose for ages in your bathroom. Tighten up lighting fixtures and avoid replacing expensive window treatments. ScrewGlue gets you more playtime from toys and electronics by repairing and locking screws into place, saving you money on replacement parts and extending the life of household items. It's just as effective when used outdoors. From garage to patio to backyard and beyond, anyone can use it with ease.
Hi, I'm Keith Ory, builder, homeowner, and host of the TV show Zombie House Flipping. I use ScrewGlue because it's super versatile. It can be used on all my projects, both in the home and on the job site. It eliminates the frustration of loose and worn screws and prevents me from wasting my time on costly repairs. I keep it on hand, and so should you.
ScrewGlue Repair Gel is ideal for upright or hard-to-reach areas around the home. Its gel-based, no-drip formula is designed to repair worn screws that continually loosen. Use it once and eliminate the need to constantly retighten. ScrewGlue Locks is your go-to preventative solution when strength and stability are musts. It increases the holding power of metal hardware components and is perfect for new assembly of heavy-use items such as play sets, grills, and gym equipment. ScrewGlue multi-material cures quickly to form a lasting bond between different materials. Its unique formulation bonds metal to wood, wood to plastic, metal to fiberglass, or any of those combinations, adding strength and reliability to your items. ScrewGlue is a must-have for every family. Restore holding power, save time, money, and your sanity. Get ScrewGlue today at your local hardware store.